Let's look at the process of redacting information from a PDF with Kofax Power PDF. So with the Security tab selected, we've got two different ways we can redact information. The first is to manually mark it for redaction. So in this case, we'll select a few words, we'll mark those, and you can see that they're highlighted with a red border. But a better way to do that would be to use the search and redact function. So in this case, we want to search for the term signature. So Power PDF found 6 occurrences. We'll select all those for redaction and mark them. And then as you can see, throughout the document, those have all been marked. So what we'll do now is we'll apply the redaction. And then we'll also see that metadata and other content in the document can also be removed. And now once we save the document, those redactions are applied. It's just that easy.